Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Boost Wanted. In today's video, we got the super wild Audi S8 putting down about 800 horsepower that we're about to go take down to the streets of Mexico and tear it up. So guys, stay tuned, relax, and enjoy. So how long have you had this thing, man?
So this is an Audi D4 S8. They were made from 2013 to 2017. This is a 2014. I bought it in 2017.
Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
The Audi S8 epitomizes, big Uber German sedans. Lots of horsepower. This one is quattro all-wheel drive. Heavy, made to run the Autobahn at speeds up to 200 miles an hour. The 2014 came stock with 520 horsepower and lots of torque. Performance numbers were pretty good for such a big, it's a 4,600 pound sedan. Performance numbers, 3.7 seconds 0 to 60, quarter mile somewhere in the low to mid 11s. It has the exhaust on top and the intakes down below. This allows the turbos to nestle in inside the V, and you got short intake runner and exhaust paths. No excessive plumbing. The stock motor is good for up to 1,000 wheel horsepower and plenty of torque. It's made it to a ZF automatic transmission. These ZF transmissions can hold 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. This car is making over 900 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels right now. The turbos have been upgraded. This has upgraded turbos. They're hybrid turbo, stock turbine size, compressors oversized by about 4 millimeters. Fuel system has been upgraded with high pressure fuel pump plungers only, and it's running about E50 is about the highest I can go. If I go over 50% ethanol, I start running out of low pressure fuel pump. It has larger custom intakes, and then the heart of the system is the Dyno Spectrum DS1 tune. That tuning platform allows for whatever type of hardware you want to throw it. Port injection is coming soon, but basically that's it. Just tune, bigger turbos running ethanol and high boost. Typical is 34-35 pounds of boost, but when the weather's warmer you get better traction too. When the weather's cooler and you're getting all that boost, it's with all the torque, it's hard for the car to put it down to the ground. And we're just doing like a mini launch, but we should be able to get under 3 even without launching it. Okay, 3.12. We can do better. We got to get under 3 at least.
Yeah, under 3s. Man, this thing is so crazy.
That's not better.
What did we get that time?
That doesn't seem right. Let's try it again here. A little better there.
60.
You know what I think it's doing is when I'm hitting the throttle, it's starting the timer. So that's yeah. So maybe I don't do that because it's like bumping it, or maybe I'll press down the brake really hard.
This thing is so crazy.
Yeah.
So what was the best slow that we got down to? 3.0?
3.14 or something like that. But I don't think that's accurate. But we'll try one here because we gotta do a better showing than this. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's terrible. That's embarrassing.
Now, does this thing have like launch control that, or do you have to brake boost it? It does not have a real launch control.
It's yeah, you're basically brake boosting, exactly. I mean, I don't know, maybe we drive around a little bit and try it again.
Let it cool off just a hair.
Maybe so, yeah. Yeah, intake temperatures are above 150. So when the intake temperatures go above 150, then it does start retarding timing.
Damn! What did we get that time?
3.1.
3.13, but that's so fast.
Quarter mile.
It's like it's begging for a quarter mile.
Okay. One more time here.
All right.
60.
Okay, 3 flat.
3 flat.
Yeah, so,
But you know, for a
We'll take it.
hot, humid day,
yeah.
especially when the sun is out cooking that
Yeah.
hood, it is still such a good time to have a 3-second flat, you know, 0 to 60 time. We can hit a little bit there, all right, guys. So crazy. Literally, this thing is so wild, guys. It just puts you in the back of the seat and keeps you there. What's your future plans with this thing?
So, we'll eventually go big turbo. And with big turbos, you know, 1,000 wheel is a pretty, that's a pretty conservative goal.
Well, hell yeah, man. That was absolutely sweet. I appreciate you giving me a ride in this thing. Nice chilling. So long, Stig of Mexico. Let you ride wild and free at the top speed. I don't even know. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.